Hello students, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video, we shall take statement questions of simultaneous linear equations. So let us take first question. A total amount of rupees 7,000 is deposited in three different saving bank accounts with annual rates 5%, 8% and 8.5% respectively. The total annual interest from these three accounts is rupees 550. Equal amounts have been deposited in the 5% and 8% saving accounts. Find the amount deposited in each of these accounts with the help of matrix method. Solution: let amount deposited in 5% account is equal to rupees X. Amount deposited in 8% account is equal to rupees Y. Amount deposited in 8.5% account is equal to rupees Z. According to question, total amount deposited in three accounts is 7,000. That means X plus Y plus Z is 7,000. Then equal amounts have been deposited in 5% and 8% accounts. That means X is equal to Y. That is X minus Y is equal to 0. And total interest is 550. That is 5% of X plus 8% of Y plus 8.5% of Z means 17Z over 200 is equal to 550. Simplifying this, 10x plus 16y plus 17z is equal to 1,10,000. 1,10,000. Therefore, these are system of simultaneous linear equations. Therefore, which is equivalent to, in the matrix form, 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 10, 16, 17 into variable column matrix is equal to coefficient column matrix, where A is column matrix 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 10, 16, 17, X is X, Y, Z, and B is 7,000, 0, 1,10,000, which is equivalent to AX is equal to B and X is equal to A inverse B. This is number 1. Then we find determinant A. Expand by first row, it is 1 into minus 17 minus 0 minus 1 into 17 minus 0 plus 1 into 16 plus 10 is equal to minus 17 plus 26, which is minus 8. Then we find out cofactors of elements of A. C11, cofactors of first row, elements of first row, it is minus 17 minus 0, it is minus 17. C12, it is minus 17 minus 0, it is minus 17. C13 is 16 plus 10, it is 26. Then C21 is minus, it is 17 minus 16, it is minus 1. Then C22 is 17 minus 10, it is 7. Then C23 is minus 16 minus 10, 6. It is 16 minus 10, which is minus 6. Then C31 is 1 minus 0, it is 1. C32 is 0 minus 1, minus 0 minus 1, it is 1. C33 is the cofactor of last element, minus 1, it is minus 2. Therefore, adjoint of A is transpose of matrix of cofactors is minus 17, 26, then minus 1, 7 minus 6, then 1, 1 minus 2. Whole transpose. So it will be first row will become first column minus 17, minus it is 26. Then minus 1, 7, minus 6, 1, 1 minus 2 is third column. Then A inverse is 1 over determinant A into adjoint of A. It is 1 over minus 8 into adjoint of A minus 17 minus 1, 1, minus 17, 7, 1, 26 minus 6 minus 2. Now from 1, x is equal to A inverse B. We put values x, y, z column variable matrix is equal to minus 1 over 8 into minus 17 minus 1, 1, minus 17, 7, 1, 26 minus 6 minus 2 into B is 7,000, 0, 1,10,000. Then we multiply this first row with first column. It is minus 1 over 8. First row with this column, this will be minus 7,000, sorry, not minus 7,000, minus 17 into 7,000, it will be minus 1,19,000 plus 0 plus 1,10,000. Then second row with this minus 1,19,000, then plus 0 plus 1,10,000. Then last is 1,82,000 plus 0 minus 2,20,000. We multiply this by this. So we get minus 1 over 8 into this, subtracting this from this, we get minus 9,000, then minus 9,000, this minus this is minus 38,000. This will give you 1125, then 1125, then dividing this by 8 will give you 4750. Therefore, x is equal to 1125, y is equal to 1125, z is equal to 4750. Therefore, amount invested in 5% account is equal to rupees 1125. Amount deposited in deposit in 8% account is rupees 1125. Then amount deposited in 8.5% account is equal to rupees 4750. That's all. In the next video, we shall take the chapter on functions. So thank you. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel Mathematics for Everyone. So thank you. See you in the next video.